Kiama kia Arihi ya Magoti nikirekereirie riboti ya uria kaunti ithano guku bururi-ini ikoretwo ikihuthira kigina. Kuringana na uthuthuria uria mekite, kaunti icio nicio cia Kitui, Nyeri, Kwale, Kisumu oro undu umwe na Busia. Maratathi maronania ati tabarira nyingi ni ciambitwo ni thirikari icio ona gutuika imwe ciacio ciambiriirie no itire irarika, imwe ni ciatiganeirio, imwe irathi na mbere no gutire kigina giacio kiaheanitwo. Ndungimenya kana ni cia thirikari cia kaunti kana ya bururi, inge iratwarithio kahora makiria na inge ni ciaigeirwo kigina no ona itiuikaine.
One document might give you a figure that this project was given this amount of money. Another document gives a different story. We are having cases where we have projects that are being implemented by the counties, but there are no records to show that those are county projects.
Oho ni muhigete ati tabarira nyingi makiria cia CDF iria ciambiriirie na thutha aria maciambiriirie makiehera wabici-ini itire na maratathi oro mothe makuonania ati ni ciarĩrĩirio ni thirikari cia county, undu uria utumaga aria moya wabici icio kwaga gucitwarithia na mbere.
They have left a whole list of projects that are not, have not been completed, and some counties are picking some to complete them. A lot more are being left, they are not being completed.
County ya Nyeri ni imwe ya iria iramurikwo na hari tabarira 30, tabarira 9 tu no cio irerikana ithondeketwo na ikarika.
We realize that sometimes counties are also spending a lot of money on something that has no value to the citizens. We have very many priorities that in terms of what the citizens want to be done, but it means that allocation has to go in terms of priority for the citizens.
Oho kigina kia makiria wa milioni 158 kirerikana gitihuthiritwo wega kaunti-ini yo ya Nyeri.
1.7 billion, 58% has been well utilized. What about 42%? Who can tell us? That is what we are trying to address.
Riu kiama giki ni kiuritie thirikari yongerere kigina kuri thirikari cia kaunti niguo ihote gutwarithia na mbere tabarira icio na gutigirira ati ni ciarika. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Wanjiko.